All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all the way through the steps and stop at 8. We're gonna have a little bit more of a progression. Talking about position number 7, I shared what position number 8 should look like, okay? It's the pass through from 6 to 8 that really matters. We're not gonna try stopping at 7, all right? So here's how you do position 8 from the top, all right? So take that Saber again, light side, not the heavy side. Position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so from here we're going to go back to 4 and then go all the way to 8. 8. Got it? And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, feel 5. Go back. 8. Got it? Okay, so 8 is where the Saber is back, basically opposite number 2 or 6. So 2 is here, 6 is kind of on top of the toes a little bit more, 8 all the way through to here. Right? You can tell from there, hand action goes from 6 to 8, and you can hear that Saber snap. If you're not snapping that Saber through there, you're turning your body too much, you're not creating the quickness that's necessary to create all that speed. So position number 8, again, very well moved into that position, accelerated into that position. It becomes more of an awareness, and frankly, if you're gonna hit a punch shot, you might end up stopping more often than not right there in position number 8. So there you go. Hold it for 10 seconds. Pump 5, right? Position 5. So we'll go through it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump 5. Go back. 8. All right. There you have it. Position number 8.